Good day! In this video I will show you how to make a homemade bird feeder very cheap. It has only costed me 20 cents. That little tube that I've got here, that's the only thing I bought. The rest, it's only recuperation. Let me show you now. For this, what we will use two empty bottles like these ones. These are 5 liters. You can use 8 liters as well, whatever you got on hand. We will use a plastic tube like this one. Sometimes they are used for aquariums. We will use a threaded rod like this one. This one is not threaded here, it's only on the edge, but it doesn't matter. I've recovered that one and it will work just as fine. If yours is threaded all the way, it's even better. Okay, we will use a glue gun, a few washers, some scissors. What we will use pliers to cut, something to mark, and a drill, and that will be about it. Let's start. First, we're gonna remove the handles that are on the bottles. Now we're gonna cut the bottles and we're gonna keep the top part. So for that we're gonna mark it and then we're gonna cut it with the scissors. Okay, one of them will cut it more or less at its fullest, okay, and the second one will cut it more or less halfway, so that we're gonna have one top part smaller than the other. Okay, let me show you now. Now that we got our two bits, we're gonna drill it. We're gonna drill the cap right in the middle. Okay, so just take a drill that's more or less the size of the rod, okay, because later that will go inside. So I'll make the holes now. Okay, we're nearly done. Perfect. So I will show you the ID, more or less. The big one via the top, the small one at the bottom, like so, and we regulate it more or less at the height we want. Okay, so now the small problem that I have is obviously this one is not threaded to the top, so to hold it I will have a problem. So what I will do, I will bend it and try to make like a round, okay, so like that I'll be able to hold it in a tree. For this I will use a spanner like this one. You see, I place it inside and I will bend it that way. Okay, so that's what I will do now, and then we'll continue. I've bent it that way. Why? Because imagine that this is a branch. I just put it on the side, I make it drop, and that's it. It holds. Okay, so that's good. So now what we're gonna use that tube. We're just gonna cut it in the middle, okay, and then we're gonna fit it on that small part that we have. Okay, so let's do it now. Now that we have cut one side of the tube, we can fit it all around. Okay, so once we've done it, we measure more or less where we have to cut, and this part and the other one we will glue it. Okay, if you want to glue the rest, you do it as well, if you don't want it to go away. That's it, it's now glued all around. I know the black doesn't look too good, but in the gun was black inside, so before came transparent. Well, that's it. So at the end of the day, what matters is that it's glued and it doesn't move. Okay, so now your rod, okay, if your rod is threaded, no problem, you just move the bolt to the height you want, and then you can regulate the top part. You can put it higher, lower, whatever you want. Okay, because mine is not threaded, so what I will do, I've got that washer I will put it inside. I will mark it first with the marker. I will mark it wherever I want it to be, and again with the glue gun I will glue it, and then obviously after I will glue that on top of the washer, and that will be it. The top part will be fitted. Okay. That's it, the last part is done. What we got left to do now is assemble everything and try it out. That's it, folks. I hope that you have liked the video. Please subscribe, and until then we'll see each other in the next video. Take care.